Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this lecture training, you will learn about Amazon FBA calculator, understanding all fulfillment by Amazon fee types. FBA fees are divided into two main categories. First one, fulfillment fees. Second one, monthly inventory storage fees. First one, fulfillment fees. This fee is charged per unit and includes packing, shipping and handling, customer service, product returns. This too is divided into two categories, each with four subcategories. Standard size, oversized. Second one, monthly inventory storage fees. Per cubic foot for all units being stored at an Amazon fulfillment center based on the month and the volume of your product moving through the facility. This too is divided into two categories, each with two subcategories. Standard size, oversized. Standard size, January-September $0.64 per cubic foot. October-December $2.35 per cubic foot. Oversized, January-September $0.43 per cubic foot. October-December $1.15 per cubic foot. FBA fees examples. Amazon has provided three product examples so that sellers can get a good idea of how the calculation works. T-shirt example, large standard size 1 or less. Dimensions 8.5 multiply 4.8 multiply 1. Unit weight 0.35. Outgoing shipping weight 1. Clothing per unit $0.40. Fulfillment fee $3.59 per unit. Let's analyze this example assuming your FBA fee is around $4. That is a pretty hefty fee if you are selling low cost t-shirts in the $5 to $10 range. If your t-shirt costs $8, then you are paying 50% to Amazon and not even included your own sourcing and manufacturing fees. Your profit margin here is obviously very low, so unless you are moving an extremely large volume of product, cannot see how this will pay off. On the other hand, if you are selling more high-end t-shirts, let's say $50, and of this might be a good option for you, as you will only be paying 8% on a $50 t-shirt. Baby coat example, small oversized, dimensions 24 multiply 7.5 multiply 6, unit weight 7.90, outgoing shipping weight 9, fulfillment fee $10.79 per unit. The same logic applies to the baby coat example. If you are selling a $35 coat versus a $140 coat, it is probably going to be worth your while to use FBA with the more expensive item. This is obviously not always true, as profit margins change, meaning maybe one seller buys the $35 coat wholesale from China at $5 a coat, and the $140 is being bought by the seller for 110. This is a little unlikely, but still possible. You also have to take the size and weight of the coat into account, as the bigger and the heavier it is, the more you are paying to Amazon. The more probable scenario is that the large coat provides a larger profit margin, making it more logical for the seller to use FBA than for the smaller coat seller. Computer monitor example: large, oversized. Dimensions 54 multiply 35 multiply 3.5, unit weight 41, outgoing shipping weight 49, fulfillment fee $73.18 per unit. Here is an extreme example with one monitor selling for $90 and another one selling for $286. There is no way it pays for the cheaper monitor seller to use FBA, as after paying dollar and fees, he is left with $17, and he or she still had to purchase the monitor from their supplier. On the other hand, the seller with the monitor for $286 will be with $213. Consider that the more expensive monitor is also a better brand, so naturally it is more expensive to source. It is more worthwhile for this seller to use FBA. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here.